Welcome to Breakthrough Earners. Start earning today with us. Here you will be getting various revolutionary ideas of making money online. So today the process that I'm going to discuss is a process in which you don't have to go for any memberships, you don't have to sell anything actually. The only thing that you have to do is to make people click on your links, and that's it. For every click you will earn money. So before moving forward, please subscribe to the channel if you are liking this video, and also press the like button, and also share this video with your friends and family. Now coming to the first step of this process, you have to go to Google first and then try to find a topic that is of global approach, not having an approach to small number of people, but it should have a global approach. So let's say I'm finding a topic best ways to make money online without investment. So that can be a very good topic, so I will just find it. So make money without investment, that could be a very good topic. And then I come across to this web page that is called as from uStory, that is 11 proven ways to make money online without investment. So I will go to that web page, and this blog looks very interesting. Okay, so then what I will do, I will just copy the link of this web page. Right here completes my first step of the process. Now we have to go to the second step. Okay, the second step involves going to the website that is called exe.io. Okay, so just type in the web page, browser page, and then you will come to this web page. Okay, here you will see that it is written that shorten links and earn money. So there are 3 steps in this. Obviously the first step is to create your account, then you have to shorten the link so that we have copied in the first stage, and then after that we have to earn money. Whenever someone clicks on our link, we will earn money. So before going to the further process, we have to sign up for the account with this exe.io company. So I want to register you for your account. Just put your username, email id, put the password, and click on the register button, and also agree to their terms and conditions, which you can read also. And after that, when you register, you will have your account created. That's it. Now what you have to do, you have to log into your account. So here I am using my account as I've already created it. So here is the page that opens. That is the dashboard. So there will be various announcements regarding the platform. Okay, so you have to scroll down and you will see these things at the bottom. Okay, so you will see number of views, you will see the earnings that you can earn. You can also earn by referring people, and this is at the bottom. You see average CPM, that is the amount you earn for per 1,000 views. So now when you go to the referral section at the side menu, you can see you can earn almost 15% of the money that your referrals will make. So you can just refer your friends, family to this web page, to the website, and if they are earning money, you can also earn money at the same time. So this is my referral link. You can copy it and share with your friends and family. Okay, now for withdrawals, the minimum withdrawal is of $5. Okay, whenever you make $5, you can withdraw the money. Fine, you can withdraw using PayPal, Payoneer. Okay, so these are the withdrawal options, and there is various kinds of withdrawal options depending upon the country. It can be in form of Bitcoin, and various things can be there. So a withdrawal process is quite simple. So in my opinion, you just use PayPal as your withdrawal option. Now how to make money in this website. Okay, so here at the top you will see create link. So click on that link and then paste the link that you have copied from the first step, and then click on create. Then you will get a shortened link. So this shortened link you have to share, and when someone clicks on this link, there will be ad before the actual web page comes, and from that ad you will be making money. So now you have to share this link. Okay, so how to share that link, we will see in the third step. So in the third step, we have to go to a website that is called as herculist.com. So when you go to this web page, you will come to this page. So this website helps you share your mail or send emails to like 1,000 people per day. Okay, so that is a big amount, so you can use this free service. Okay, so before that you have to sign up for the account with them. So when you are signing up with the account, you will come across this page. So I want you to create your account here, okay, with your first name, last name, okay, where you heard about this website. Okay, you have to put the password, then you have to put your email, etc., and then scroll down. And if you scroll down, then you can just click on the recaptcha, where you can just say I'm not a robot, and then agree to their terms and conditions and click on the create account button. Once you are done, you will be sent a verification mail, verify your email ID, and then you can just log into the page. And once you log in, you will come across this page where you have to put your login credentials. And when you are putting your login credentials, you will be going to the dashboard of this website. Then you have to click add mailers at the top, and then you have to continue to add mailers. You will be coming to this web page, and then you have to scroll down to send the email. So then here you will find regular mailing option. In that you have to write the subject line. So I am writing the heading of that link that we have copied in the first step. Okay, so here we will write 11 proven ways to earn money without investing. Now in the test URL, I will paste the link that I have copied from exe.io website that we have shortened. Right now I will add some description, like I will start with greetings of the day, and something I will write like, if you want to earn some money without investing, you can go through this web page, something like that. And then I will submit the mail. So this mail will be sent to 1,000 people. So you just, by sending a mail, you can just reach 1,000 real people who can actually click on the link. And someone clicks on the link, obviously you will earn some money. So whenever someone clicks on the link, so how this process works is that, no, when someone clicks on the link, first they will be provided with some ads, and when the ad is completed, they will be redirected to the page that we have copied in the first step. So this is how this works. So hope you have understood this way of earning money. You can use this method for various process, like you can use this method of creating affiliate marketing business also, where you can just share your affiliate marketing links to 1,000 people every day, and you can earn a lot of money. And once you are done, you can just submit the ad at the bottom, and when you are submitting the ad, there you will see ad successfully submitted to 1,000 members. So this is how this process works. Okay, so this is how you can earn money using this process, by just sharing your shortened links. Right, so now coming to the thing that, no, if this website actually pays money, so you have to look into the stuff like, no, go to the payment proof. So you can see the number of people who are earning money from this website. So they are getting daily paid from this website to share their links, and also they are earning from the referral system. Okay, so obviously the money that you get from different clicks depends upon the country from which the click is coming. Okay, here you can see different countries have different rates for the clicks. Okay, so if it is from the developed countries, you will get more money out of it. Thank you for watching the video, and please do subscribe to the channel for more updates like this.